Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camille Jules here with another wig review. Before we get into the details of the unit, we've got to talk about the lippy. Lippy that I'm wearing today is the NYX Lingerie matte liquid lipstick in the color Embellishment. So you've got this beautiful purpley color here. And now for this beautiful unit. Thank you so much to Stema Hair for sending me this beautiful unit for review. This is their Body Wave 360. Let's rewind that. This is their 360 degree body wave unit. 360 degree means there's lace all the way around. That way, if you want to do the hair into an updo, you can do that. Now, I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to do a restyling video where I will show you different styles that you can do utilizing the 360 lace. The length is 22 inches. This is where it falls at the back. And this is the hair all the way to the front. So I've gone ahead, I've cut off the lace. You see that it has ample parting space. The beautiful thing about this lace and the fact that it has all the space is that you can wear middle part, side part, half up, half down. Various different styles. Like I said, I'm going to come back with a restyling video so you guys can see all the different styles that this wig can do. There is no shedding and there's no tangling. My hands are just gliding right through. So no tangling, no shedding. The hair is very soft. The density is 150%. And it is in the natural color. So this is the color that it comes in. And as you can see, the color of the lace blends in really well. Now I did go in with my foundation at one part here and it just was a little bit too orange. So I think I'm just gonna leave the color as it is. This wig currently retails for $181.67. I would say that the cap size is a little more on the snug side. I do have a small head, 21.5 inches, and it's just fitting me. So I wouldn't say that this wig is big head friendly. The hair is very, very soft. It has a very healthy luster to it, but it's a very beautiful wig. I love the density. Very pretty. Now, I would highly recommend this unit. Very good price for 150% density, 22 inches long, 360 degree lace. A very, very affordable price. Make sure you check the description box below for coupon code so you can save some money. So let me know what you think about this wig. This is a very quick review today. Like I said, I will be coming back. I promise I will be coming back with a restyling video so I can show you guys how I lay the lace. I just, at this time, I'm very pressed for time to melt the lace and all that stuff right now. I can't do that today, but I wanted to get this review out quickly for the company, and then I will come back with a restyling video. But this wig is very beautiful. I would recommend this wig. It is a very good value for being a 22-inch, 360 degree, 150% density wig. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Camille Jules on Instagram. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, a lot of social media platforms. All of the links are in the description box below. You will also see it in the About section here on my channel. And yes, sometimes you don't get the notifications. I've been always saying. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. That way you will get those notifications. I'm on TikTok too. I gotta start getting back on my TikToks. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Big dance. Big dance.